YouTube. I am back with another video, and we have an unboxing. Shout out to Corsa Performance for sponsoring today's video and the part, you guys. Corsa sent me an exhaust for my CTSV. Let's unbox it. I'm at the shop. We're not gonna install it today, partially because my motor is actually sitting over there, but we're gonna unbox it. I'm gonna show you the quality that's here. I promise you, if you want an exhaust, Corsa is the only place to get it. Let's go. All right, so it's already been opened, right? But it comes in very, very well taken care of. You can see the foam. That's big when it comes to shipping, especially as far as it came to me. Here we have some connection pipes. The quality on these are insane. And these are just the connection pipes that are going to hold the actual rear end of the exhaust, or the tips themselves. I gotta take this out the way it came in so when I put it back together. This is the part I've been waiting on. These are the most beautiful tips. I went with the black exhaust tips, and you can see the quality is insane. The welding, spot on. The color of the tips is spot on. It's gonna look really, really good with the Corsa Performance just sticking out of my satin black wrap. So super excited about those. It does come with clamps, as you can see. Second exhaust tip. But here is where the magic happens. Now I'm only going to take one out so you guys can see, but this is where Corsa gets its sound from. These are the mufflers. You guys can see again the welds, super quality, very nice set. See the Corsa Performance logo here. Super excited to show you guys what it sounds like with the before and after. They're gonna sound insane. Now that you guys have seen the parts, I will do an install video where you guys will see before and after on the actual sounds. I've seen some clips of the Corsa Extreme exhaust, and it is loud, especially with this built motor that's about to go back into it. I do have long tube headers, catless, so it's gonna be a little rowdy. So I can't wait. Make sure you stay tuned. If you're looking to buy a Corsa Performance exhaust, use my code Toro_704 for a percentage off. Go ahead and grab your exhaust. I promise you, when you hear this before and after in the next video, you're gonna love it. You guys got to see the unboxing of the Corsa exhaust. Yes, it is an axle back, but they have everything from axle back to cat backs to custom exhaust at Corsa Performance. You can do the Extreme if you're like me and you like the sound of your car, but they have plenty of options for Mopars, Chevys, my Cadillac. It does not matter. Corsa has it all. Make sure you go check them out. Toro_704 for your discount code and make your car sound insane. CorsaPerformance.com.